ثانيا حابه اشكر الساده الشير بيرسون وطبعا دكتور عمرو بداري بسبب وجوده النهارده معانا. Novel regimen for colonoscopy bowel preparation with oral lactulose, a prospective comparative study. Colorectal cancer is the third most common cancer worldwide, accounting for approximately 10% of all cancer cases and the second leading cause of cancer-related deaths worldwide, according to World Health Organization 2023. Quality indicators in colonoscopy are crucial for optimal colonic evaluation, which is essential to achieve the early detection of colorectal neoplasm and avoid deaths from colorectal cancer. Thus, it's necessary to emphasize the improvement of quality of colonoscopy screening. Bowel preparation is considered as a major obstacle before colonoscopy and is often reported as the most feared part of the procedure. Polyethylene glycol is the osmotically balanced laxative. It's widely used bowel preparation due to its adequate efficacy and safety profile. It's soluble in water and it's minimally absorbed in the gastrointestinal tract as a medication. It's formed hydrogen bond with water molecule, so it can prevent reabsorption of water, which cause water retentions in the stools and increasing the osmotic pressure. As a result, the stool softens and bowel movement occur more frequently. Concern has been raised about the use of split dose preparation of polyethylene glycol or the conventional whole dose previous day protocol that is accompanied by diet restriction. Although recommendation states that the use of split preparation provides a better cleaning level. Its common side effects are flatulence, nausea, stomach cramp, diarrhea, swollen abdomen, and rectal hemorrhage. It's contraindicated in patients with suspected bowel perforations or obstruction, toxic megacolon, and hypersensitivity to polyethylene glycol or any component of its formulation. The major limitation of polyethylene glycol as a preparation method is the requirement of high volume of solution to achieve good colonic cleansing, which impair patient tolerability, especially in elderly population. Several authors have proposed alternative bowel preparation schemes to overcome this limitation. However, side effects, limited availability, and high cost are important issues. Lactulose is disaccharide semi-synthetic derivative of lactose. It's absorbed and undergo bacterial action, which causes fermentation, acidifying the environment and causing accelerations of intestinal transit by stimulating motility. Another consequence of acidification is increased osmotic pressure within the lumen of colon. Because lactulose has an insignificant absorption by the gut and undergo rapid excretion by the kidney, its effect remains localized to the gut microenvironment. As regards side effects, it includes increased bowel sound, increased flatus, and sensation of bloating, and diarrhea, which is a dose dependent. Contraindication to lactose include galactosemia. It's contraindicated in patients who require a galactose-free diet. Diabetic patients must use it cautiously due to the potential to cause hyperglycemia in diabetic individuals. It may increase nausea in older patients, and it causes electrolyte imbalance in case of prolonged use in pregnancy. A prospective observation non-blind comparative study done by Jose et al., which published in 2024, included of patients who underwent diagnostic colonoscopy at 2 reference endoscopy centers in Brazil and Peru from July 2021 to April 2023, aimed to assess the efficacy, safety profile, and tolerability of an oral lactulose-based regimen for bowel preparation during colonoscopy in comparison to the traditional polyethylene glycol. Inclusion criteria were age more than 18 years with the following indications: CRC screening, lower gastrointestinal bleeding, chronic diarrhea, and iron deficiency anemia. While patients with previous colorectal surgery, pregnancy, emergency colonoscopy, use of scheme or substance other than this preparation for bowel preparation, and incomplete information or clinical condition considered unsuitable for sedation or colonoscopy were excluded. The primary outcome are the level of bowel clearance and side effect rate, while the secondary outcome are colorectal adenoma and polyp detection rate. and characteristic of colorectal lesion founded and tolerability index. Methods. The patients were divided into two groups. Group 1 who prepared using polyethylene glycol, and Group 2 who using oral lactulose. The following data were collected for each group: age, sex, chronic constipation, pre-existing comorbidity, degree of bowel cleansing using the Boston Bowel Preparation Scale, and colorectal polyp and adenoma detection rate, size, location, and endoscopy morphology of colorectal polyp according to Paris classification. Inadequate bowel preparation rate, tolerability, side effect, excessive volume perceptions by preparations by the patient, difficulty in ingestion, and overall satisfactory experience. Bowel preparation schemes using polyethylene glycols was performed following the recommendations proposed by the latest European and American guideline as following: liquid diet without residues for 24 hours before the procedures, associated with 4 units of polyethylene glycol diluted in 4 liters of water with 15 milliliters of simethicone ingested in a split dose. These 4-liter preparations were ingested as following: the initial 2 liters afternoon before the procedures, and the other 2 liters 6 hours before the colonoscopy. The bowel preparation schemes using oral lactulose was performed as following: liquid diet without residues for 24 hours before the procedures, associated with 200 milliliters of lactulose diluted in 600 milliliters of water with 15 milliliters simethicone ingested in a single dose 6 hours before the procedures. It's important to highlight that other coadjutant laxatives were administered in neither of the two schemes. Here we can see the list of clear fluid diet which you can use during colonoscopy preparation. Boston Bowel Preparation Scale. It was developed to limit the inter-observer variability in rating of bowel preparation quality, while preserving the ability to distinguish various degrees of bowel cleanliness. Subjective terms such as excellent, good, fair, poor, and unsatisfactory are replaced by 4-point scoring system applied to each of the 3 regions of the colon: the right, transverse, and left colon. Each region of colon receives a segment score from 0 to 3, and these segment scores are summed for total Boston Bowel Preparation score ranging from 0 to 9. Therefore, the maximum scoring for perfect cleaning colon without any residual liquid is 9, while the minimum for unprepared colon is 0. Boston Bowel Preparation score less than or equal to 5 associated with poor adenoma detection rate. Polyp classifying technique, for example, Paris classification, narrowband imaging, international colorectal endoscopic classifications, and code-beat pattern, which allow assessment of lesions, location, size, morphology, granularity, and surface bit or microvascular surface pattern. The purpose of an optical diagnosis is to differentiate between cancers and pre-malignant polyp. The form usually requires surgery, while the latest can be excised endoscopically. Paris classifications is a standardization of polyp morphology, but more importantly, it has been shown to predict the risk of submucosal invasion in certain subtypes. Type 1, protruding, it's subdivided into pedunculated and subpedunculated and sessile. Type 2, non-protruding, non-excavated, subdivided into type 2A, flat and elevated, type 2B, completely flat, and type 2C, superficial depressed, and type 3, which is excavated. Small polypoidal lesion, type 1, seldom malignant, can be removed endoscopically. Conversely, type 2C associated with increased risk of malignant disease. Nearly all types 3 contain advanced cancer. Result. During the study period, 296 patients underwent a complete colonoscopy. 74 patients were excluded due to incomplete information or history of colorectal cancer. The remaining 222 patients included in the analysis, 72 were male and 150 were female. Both groups comprised of 111 patients. As seen in Table 1, which shows the characteristic of the enrolled patients. Regarding bowel cleansing, A superiority was observed in the level of the bowel cleansing with oral lactulose or group 2 in comparison to polyethylene group, which is termed group 1, in all colonic segment with a statistically significant result in right, transverse, and left colonic area. Regarding colorectal adenoma detection rate and the characteristics of the lesion found, lactulose group had a higher percentage of detection rate of polyp less than 5 milliliter compared to polyethylene group. Likewise, a significantly higher number of Paris type 1S polyp was observed in group 2 than group 1. Regarding the side effect and tolerability, high percentage of side effects such as nausea, abdominal pain, bloating were observed in group 1 with a statistically significant result in the last 2 side effects. Disagreeable flavor, excessive volume perceptions, and difficulty in taking the preparation were significantly higher in group 1. Excessive volume perceptions hindering tolerability was also higher in group 1. In conclusion, bowel cleansing for colonoscopy using an oral lactulose scheme is an excellent alternative to traditional polyethylene glycol. The oral lactulose-based regimen is attractive to the general population because of its low cost, availability, and high level of colonic cleansing, colorectal adenoma detection rate, tolerability indices, and the low rates of side effect. في الحقيقة معظم الدراسات اللي اتعملت متفقة مع الريزلت بتاعتنا في الدراسة اللي احنا بنتكلم عنها. فيما عدا دراستين. في one study done by إلينا تل ودي اتعملت سنة 2014 وريبورتد ان البوليethylene glycols was more tolerable than lactulose without difference on the quality of preparation. تاني study done by شاوفين إتال دي اتعملت في 2023 ودي كانت reported ان الcombination بتاع البوليethylene glycol with lactulose has a better efficacy than polyethylene glycol alone in bowel preparation before colonoscopy. And finally, thank you.
شكرا دكتورة دينا على الفاليبل ليكتشر. بدعوا السادة السبيكرز ناخد صورة مع بعض على الستيج.